we have here a Stitchmaster badged model 1692. I'm not sure what other badges this may have worn. It has an array of built-in patterns. So there's a cam follower release to allow you to rotate the selector. The cam inside is plastic, but the rest of the mechanism is metal, including the original zigzag cam. Then it's got this, easy selector dial for your straight stitch and your buttonhole. But it's a side load class 15 machine, and to wind a bobbin, you go through this thread guide on the front of the machine, then across under this tension button, clutch nut on the end of the hand wheel, and a push button here to engage the winder. To thread the Stitchmaster 1692, same thread guide on the top with our foot up, go outside the tensioner, around under this take-up spring, under this hook, and then through the take-up arm. There's a thread guide on the front of the machine at the bottom of the door, and I thought I had rotated that to be up. So there's a thread guide here, there's a thread guide on the needle bar clamp, and then machine threads from the outside to the inside. This is a side load class 15, so we're gonna load our bobbin so it unrolls clockwise in the crack here on the side, up underneath our spring, and then hold the latch out and pop it in sideways, and then draw our bobbin thread up.